Hello, welcome to Old Nerds Mail Call. This just came in the mail today from Valoria Video. This was a pre-order, and this is an old favorite of mine. I recently picked up the Blu-ray. Well, not recently. It's been a few years, but recently, as far as my collecting goes, I picked up the Blu-ray of this movie probably 4 or 5 years ago now. And I've made a habit of watching it every fall, every Halloween, because it's a childhood favorite. Even though when I was a kid and I watched it, it scared the living daylights out of me. But this is a brand new 4K restoration, presentation, special edition of Salem's Lot. Look at that bad boy. This was just released this week. I pre-ordered it, I don't know, a couple months ago anyway. Let's see what we got here. 4K Ultra HD Limited Edition contents. We got a brand new 4K restoration of both the original 2-part miniseries and the shorter theatrical cut. What else we got? Collector's Perfect Bound booklet containing new writing on the film by critics. Interview with director Toby Hooper, Lance Kerwin, Julie Cobb. Salem's Lot town sign sticker. Double-sided fold-out poster featuring 2 original artwork options. Reversible sleeve featuring 2 original artwork options. Let's see. So it's 2 discs. The first disc is the original TV miniseries. 2 viewing modes. Play as a miniseries in 2 parts as per the original broadcast or as an extended movie. Brand new audio commentary by critics. Archive audio commentary by Toby Hooper. Alternate TV footage. Commercial bumpers and original broadcast versions of the Antler's death. Yeah, they might have changed that. It was kind of a gruesome scene. Original shooting script gallery. Then disc 2, theatrical version and extras. Brand new audio commentary by critics. Interview with Stephen King biographer. Second Coming, a new appreciation by author and critic. New England Nosferatu. A new interview with filmmaker Mick Garris. New featurette looking at the location of Salem's Lot today. We Can Be Heroes, a new featurette with film critic Heather Wixson, co-author of In Search of Darkness. A gold standard for small screen screams, a new featurette with film critic, co-hosts of the podcast Horror Queers, and an image gallery and a trailer. Okay, let's see if we can open this and preserve the shrink wrap. That's what I like to do. Keep the shrink wrap around the slipcase if I can. Looks like we're going to be successful, even though my knife blade probably needs replaced pretty badly. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Oh, it's vacuumed in. Sealed for my freshness. It's a nice little slipcase. Nice box, very durable, hard box. Here's the big square bound booklet with that terrible image burned into my young mind when I watched this as a child. Scared the heck out of me. Smell that brand new book smell. Yeah, I watched this way too young. It was on TV probably when I was, 4 or 5 years old. Here's the fold-out poster. 2-sided fold-out poster. Let's see. So here is one side. Whoops, I used that. So much for my attempts to keep that in nice condition. There's that side. And this must be a modern poster. Oh, what is this? Italian? Looks like it must be Italian. Yeah. That's cool. I mean, I'll never hang it up or anything. It's going to probably stay just like this, folded up inside of the slipcase, but it's cool to have it. here we got our 2 discs. Here's the little Salem's Lot town sign sticker. More Arrow catalog. Arrow video is cool. But here is disc 1. That's the Ultra HD 4K disc. And then we've got standard Blu-ray disc behind it. Nice little package. So I am very excited for... I'm not usually one to wish summer goes by fast and we get into fall and then it's wintertime. I don't like to wish summer away, but I want to watch this in 4K and see how it looks. But I'm going to wait until Halloween time and watch it then. Yeah, it was a pretty good little package. I forget what I paid for it. Does it have a price on this receipt? No. I can't remember what I paid for it. It was kind of pricey. Maybe $20-some. I can't remember. But money well spent because I will be watching this every year. I don't know what I'm going to do with my old Blu-ray. I don't know if I'll keep it or if I'll put it down in my old nerd store to sell. I don't know. If anybody has any suggestions, please comment down below. And also comment down below with your memories of Salem's Lot. Are you an old nerd like me who got the living bejesus scared out of you watching this when you were a kid? If so, please comment down below. Share your horror stories. And please share the video. I'd really appreciate that. Stick around for more movie reviews and comic book reviews on this channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.